Press the bell icon on YouTube and don't miss another update.
Hi, I'm Shruti Hassan and you're watching IndianExpress.com.
Firstly, congratulations for Yara. I loved the trailer personally because I loved that entire setup of 70s and you being a part of it. So congratulations.
Thank you so much.
How important is your role in a film that basically involves 4 boys?
Well, most films are about boys, aren't they? So, well, in this case, though, it's a really pivotal character to the narrative of this friendship that these 4 men share, and my character Sukanya really comes in and lends a different energy to the landscape of the film. I love the character that I play, and it's been really an amazing experience. It was a really positive, fun environment, and Tigmanshu sir was really in charge of more than just he's just such a fun and lovely person to work with. So it was a really amazing experience.
So in the trailer, we see Sukanya being a very strong influence in Fagun's, I think, life, as much as we could understand. So what is her character? Is she manipulating? Is she the emotional thread? What is there? Tell me more.
No, in fact, she's really not manipulative at all in any way. She's just, the film starts in one era in the 70s, and that vibe is just it's a different energy and it's a different vibe. And even at that time, she's just doing and being whatever she knows how to be, honestly and best, So, no, she's a very strong, opinionated, and very, the love is very real that she has for Fagun throughout the story. It's a very real and deep love.
And you are being directed by Tigmanshu Dhulia for the first time. So how was that? Because of course he is a filmmaker who has his own style. So
right. What I loved about working with Tigmanshu sir is he's a person who's very much steeped in art. He has an understanding and appreciation for artistry in general. So whether he's directing or acting, his appreciation for music. It was really wonderful. I've always loved his work. So at first to just work with him and have that opportunity, and then to learn so much from him.
The film is interestingly set in the 70s, and you are also playing an elderly character. There is a part of the story that has you wearing, I think, prosthetics and all. How was that experience?
So this is the first time that I played a woman older than my age. Yes, there is very little prosthetic work. Because I didn't really know how to go about it because it was the first, and Tigmanshu sir and I discussed a lot. But then I decided to call my dad because even during D-Day to make the star and stuff, I called my dad and he actually taught me on FaceTime how to do it and make it proper. And I felt like he would be the best to advise. And the great thing he said is, just look at your mom's face and my face and see how we've aged. And I realized they haven't really aged that much.
You had a very busy lockdown to start with. You were composing music, you were cooking, you were playing games with Akshara. So how was the lockdown? Of course, because now you have a film coming out. But how has been, how did you keep the artist in you busy in this time?
It's not been hard. I enjoy creative work and expression, whether I'm cooking, and it doesn't mean just music or acting or writing. I think cooking is creative. I love making masks. I like whatever, just to keep my hands busy. So yeah, it's been a very creatively satisfying lockdown for me.
I read somewhere that you're also planning to launch your YouTube channel.
I have already.
Oh, tell me more on that. How do you plan to expand it? What more can fans?
The original music that I've been making and my performances from London, which I've been doing, because a lot of people were like, where does Shruti keep going off to? And then I was putting a little bits on Instagram, but I wanted to collectively have a place for people to go and see my original English music, which I've been performing, and some of the behind the scenes stuff.
So I will play a little game with you. You have to tell me out of the 4 guys in the film, who is more likely to do this in future, in real life. Join politics.
Probably Amit.
Okay. Tend to forget his dialogues while doing the scene.
Vidyut.
Who can become a better dancer in future?
All of them.
Somebody you'd like to do a duet with?
To sing?
Yeah.
With Tigmanshu sir.
Who is a foodie?
I think all of the guys there were like lots of food conversations on the set.
Who is more likely to prank you if the situation comes?
Probably Vijay.
If you have to give one message to your fan as a compilation of all the languages you know, like the sentence should have words from all the languages you know, please go ahead. We'd love to hear that.
Okay. Hi everyone. నాకు చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि आप लोग आज तक इन्हीं वर्णों के सपोर्ट कर रही हैं.